Introducing the Model Shop's new RAM-DROP system designed to test and automatically sort small parts using the Resonant Acoustic Method, a non-destructive technology. The system is capable of detecting cracks, voids, missing features, variations in overall geometry, and part density. This robust inspection system requires no special part preparation and ensures 100% inline inspection with throughputs as high as 1 part per half a second. As with all Model Shop technology, multiple parts can be tested using the same unit. The RAM-DROP system is designed with 2 different fully adjustable feeding options that can be integrated to your automated production systems using bowl feeders or vibratory tables. An adjustable metal slide can be positioned for the optimal part drop, allowing for the part to resonate while free-falling for minimal dampening. The RAM-DROP system is now fitted with a high-precision microphone to capture each part's resonant signature, which is used to compare against the reference criteria and objectively passes or fails the part accordingly. Parts are fed into the system. The part is impacted as it falls into the cabinet. The microphone then captures the resonance of the part, and the data analyzer makes a comparison to determine pass or fail. After being impacted, the part falls into the drum, which is automatically sorted, depending on the performance, into separate bins. Additional part handling automation can be easily implemented at this point. Our turnkey system provides 2 different visual indications of the part's performance. The light tower mounted on the side of the enclosure will illuminate red if the part fails to meet any of the established criteria, and green if all the criteria is met. A part is required to pass all the established criteria to be considered a passing part. The NDT-RAM software will also provide a simple indication of pass or fail. The Model Shop's RAM-DROP system is designed for continuous operation with 100% inline part inspection and automated sorting. The RAM-DROP system is ideal for parts up to 5 inches and 2 pounds, with applications spanning from aerospace, industrial and automotive, to consumer goods, electronics, and firearms. We'd be happy to offer a free feasibility test to ensure our technology works with your parts and your designs. If the validation test is positive, the Model Shop provides an extensive hands-on training with your team and recommends renting our equipment before moving to purchase to guarantee your comfort and the system's performance in your operations.